Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord email verification not working. Many users face this issue where the verification email doesn't arrive or the link doesn't work, and it can prevent login or server access. First, check your inbox carefully. Sometimes Discord emails go to spam, promotions, or updates folders. Search for Discord to be sure. Step 1, wait a few minutes before resending. Sending multiple requests quickly can block new emails. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then click resend verification email. Step 2, confirm your email is correct. Even a small typo can stop delivery. Check your account settings and update the email if needed. Step 3, whitelist Discord emails. Add no-reply at discord.com to your safe sender list. This prevents email providers from blocking the message. Step 4, try a different browser or incognito mode. Browser cache or extensions can block verification links. Copy and paste the link into another browser if needed. Step 5, clear browser cache and cookies. Old session data can cause verification errors. After clearing, log in again and resend the email. Step 6, check if your email provider has restrictions. Some corporate or school emails may block external links. Try verifying using a personal email if possible. Finally, contact Discord support if nothing works. Provide your registered email and issue details. Support can manually verify your account. So yeah, fixing Discord email verification issues is about checking spam, waiting, correcting your email, whitelisting, testing browsers, clearing cache, and contacting support. Follow these steps and your account will be verified quickly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.